Hey guys, welcome back. So today, while using my wood lathe from Harbor Freight, the electric motor decided to burn up on it. So I decided to modify it, and I'm going to show you how I did it. This is all still the same, so I'm still able to adjust the speed. On the back of the original motor, I took the cover off, the plastic propeller, a 2.5-inch pulley that had a 5/8 bore, fit perfectly on this shaft. I ran a belt down to this 1.5 horse industrial motor that I had sitting around for quite a while. And I'll tell you what, this thing has a lot more power. I can churn huge logs without no issue, and it just gets up and goes. I will put the cover back on. I just left it off for the video. And I'll also make a cover to sit over top of that. How I mounted that motor, I just used a couple pieces of angle iron, which is from a bed frame. A couple bolts in the bottom. I just put some clamps on top for now. I'll eventually get around the bolt nose on. But that's about it. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.